Let's be real for a second. When was the last time you or a loved one felt confident moving around without fear of tripping, slipping, or struggling with an unreliable walker? The anxiety of a fall, the frustration of limited mobility. It's not just a physical struggle, it's an emotional one too. But what if I told you there's a walker that doesn't just help you get by? It redefines how you move with safety, comfort, and style. Meet the Evolution Trillium Walker, the ultimate solution for reclaiming independence and confidence. We've all seen it, a walker that's flimsy, awkward, and more of a hassle than a help. You've probably thought, this thing is supposed to make life easier, not harder. And let's not forget the fear of falling or the pain of using something that just doesn't fit your needs. I mean, who designed these things? It's like they thought, let's make it harder to walk and add zero comfort for good measure. It's enough to make anyone frustrated. First things first, take a look at this sleek ergonomic design. It's not just for looks, it's engineered for stability and comfort. The lightweight frame makes it super easy to maneuver, while the oversized wheels ensure smooth movement on any surface, even uneven sidewalks or gravel. And check this out, this seat isn't just there for decoration. It's padded, supportive, and perfect for taking a break when you need it. Plus, the backrest adds extra comfort. It's like your personal chair on the go. Honestly, it's so comfy, I might just use this as my new office chair. Anyone else tempted? But the real question is, how does it handle when you're out and about? Let's dive into that next. Here's what I discovered. The Trillium Walker isn't just functional, it's life-changing. Whether you're navigating tight corners indoors or uneven paths outside, this walker keeps you steady and secure. No wobbling, no stress, just smooth, confident movement. And it's not just me saying this. Users rave about how the Trillium Walker has restored their independence, letting them enjoy life without worrying about their mobility. Imagine the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want, with peace of mind. So, is the Evolution Trillium Walker worth it? Without a doubt. Whether you're looking for better mobility, enhanced safety, or just the confidence to move freely, this walker delivers on all fronts. Ready to take the first step toward independence? Click the link in the description below to order your Evolution Trillium Walker today from homehealthcareshop.com. Don't wait, your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to rediscovering freedom and independence, one step at a time. See you next time.